How to block all calls on Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is a powerful tool for staying connected with friends and family, allowing you to exchange messages and make voice and video calls. While it's a convenient platform for communication, there might be occasions when you want to limit or control the calls you receive. In this guide, we will explore how to block incoming calls on Facebook Messenger. While there isn't a direct block all calls feature, this method will help you maintain a more customized and controlled calling experience within the app by blocking calls from specific people. Start by either opening an existing conversation with the individual you wish to block, or if you've previously deleted the conversation, follow these steps. Locate the person's name by using the search box within your Messenger app. Once you've found their name, tap on it to open a conversation. Tap on the eye icon on the top right corner of the screen to access the settings. Here you'll see the block option. Select block. In the block settings menu, you'll be given two choices. You can decide to block messages and calls from this individual, or block them on Facebook, which also blocks them from contacting you on Messenger. If you still wish to remain connected as Facebook friends but keep them from messaging and calling you, simply choose block messages and calls. Confirm by tapping on block. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the people you don't want to receive calls from. Should you ever decide to unblock any of these individuals in the future, you can do so by locating the same button within their respective conversation details. It will now display as unblocked messages and calls, allowing you to re-establish communication with them. By following these steps, you can take better control of your Messenger experience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.